Join the team at Cambra Speed Shop. Cambra Speed Shop is a premier hot rod and custom car garage building award-winning dream cars for their loyal and passionate customers in Orange, California. They are currently looking to expand the team with highly motivated, efficient, and detail-oriented fabricators, body prep, installers, wiring experts, and general maintenance craftsmen and women. It takes a special breed who understand the complexities and care needed to work on top-quality custom vehicles. You got what it takes? Send your resume to adam@cambraspeedshop.com.
Cambra Speed Shop is an equal opportunity employer. Compensation and benefits are contingent on your abilities.
I'm Ron Cambra, and I approve this message.